with the community of doctors themselves first.
The Shillong All Faith Forum, SAFF, a conglomeration of different faith-based groups of Meghalaya, have urged political parties to be mindful of what they speak, how they speak and what they do. Speaking to media persons after a meeting, SAFF President Bishop Purely Lingdo also urged the political parties not to create divisions and hatred amongst people for political mileage, appealing the citizens of the state to be careful of miscreants trying to create disturbances and misunderstandings for political mileage. He said that people should also not believe fake news spread often with an idea of spreading hatred.
Friends, welcome. The situation in Assam and in Meghalaya has come to the stage where we faith leaders need to stand up and speak out and call upon our people to be aware and be alert of the situation. SAF, as you all know, was formed in 2020, not only for normal times when we meet together for certain matters.
Shillong MP Vincent H. Pala has asked